All right, welcome back, generals, to another Let's Fix Generals at 0 hour to make the best game ever. Okay, so what do? We will try to fix the inline assembler. Inline assembler. Good, so what do we need? We should go to here. Yeah, okay, so that is our reference. Let's go here to stash pop. Yeah, stash pop. Okay. Okay, let's go. Actually, before we continue with this, let's stash it one more time. Nah, let's gonna do it another time. Stash pop. Oh. No. Good, so. Okay, so we have this guy here. Good, so. Okay, so we want to get rid of the assembler. Good, let's search for ASM. Search for all ASMs. There we go. Good, so. There are a number. Let's start here at the top. So CRC, this one we have already served, yeah? Perf timer. That one is perf timers. Yeah, I don't know if it ever gets compiled in or not. Dump perf stats. Let me search for it here. Get precision timer is not found. Let's search it here. Also not found. Let's search for the file. Perf timer. Perf timer.h. It's a header? Yeah. Perf timer. Yeah. Yeah, I would say we simply put this in here. We take our condition. Else. And if. Oh, hard to read that thing. Put a space here. T. Does it require any header? ASM replace. Fix tests. I can't remember that we had to do this here. Fix tests. Replacing inline assembly with intrinsics. Let's take a look at this change. Profile get time. Profile get time. So I guess we do the same here then. If defined, else, and if. Take this guy, okay. Okay, so this one is undefined. So this one is needed, intrin compat. Doesn't exist. Cannot open. I don't know what that is. Maybe it's a file that they had added. Okay. www.lib. What is this file? Well, maybe we just copy that thing then. www.lib. www.lib. Okay. Let's say www.lib code library source www.vegas www.lib. It looks suspicious though. Intrin. Intrin compat. Okay, let's take all this garbage here. Put it in here. Okay. Okay, so the question is, can this thing see this file? www.lib. perf timer, where is this? Common perf timer, game engine, CMake list. Game engine. www Vegas. Game engine. Do we have a ZI? What is it called? www, not sure. Let's go one up. Oh, I don't remember where to look. Code here. Yeah. So we're looking at this one here. Yeah. But should it see that? How about we put that file for starters in this folder here? Code, main, libraries, lib, no, source, www, lib, intrin. What was the name again? I already forgot it. Intrin compat. Intrin compat. So we take this file and put that into libraries lib. No. Include lib. My gosh, these file names. Okay, so we revert this one here. Yeah. Perf timer. Yeah, okay, let's put it here as well. It doesn't see it right now. Let's compile. Let's see if it sees it then. Yeah. Oh, this code is broken. No, that's not good. Okay, so this file is not seen somehow. The question is why. This one should be seen here. Why is this not seen? Ah, I know why. We only see it this far, right? Lib. No? Yes. I will be right back. Okay, so that has compiled. I don't know why there is all this mumbo jumbo in this entering combat. Maybe we can simplify this because it doesn't look like it's all needed. Maybe we'll see. Good. So what do we do next? Let's go back to this one here. Fifth timer. Let's go back here. Find ASM. Okay, so stack dump. Stack dump. Let's take a look at this one. Oh my gosh. Stack dump CPP. There we go. Stack dump. Still in here. If and def. Yeah. Okay, looks like they just compiled it out, which I guess is fair. Yeah. Like stack trace. If and def win 64. Yeah, I would say we compile it out entirely. And if okay. That's another one. Do the same here. Hold on. What does this do? What? What is this even supposed to do? I don't understand. It's supposed to write these guys, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, these, okay, it's just, yeah. Yeah, actually, I think this is a very fair if def. Yeah, I think this is actually fair. Let me say if and def. But then why do even do this here? Stack frame, stack walk. Like, what does this do then? Image file machine. Oof. Oof. I mean, does this even work? This entire thing? because this is for a different machine here. I would say we take out the whole function. Yeah. 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 So and if but that would mean it would then still be compiled in hold on. If def, it should be. It probably should be if defined win32 and not defined. Oops, not defined that. Right. Why is this not compiled out? Ah, because. Right. No, but then it's fair. As long as we are on 32-bit, it's compiled in because EAX is perfectly valid. Yeah. Move EAX. Yes. Actually, wouldn't it? Who's defining this one? Win and T. Okay, I think this whole thing needs to be compiled out anyway. So actually, it's probably enough to say if not defined win64. Yeah. 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 Then we do the same here. If not defined, that. Okay, this one we have already sorted. Yeah, I think this condition is fine. This condition is fine as well. Yeah, okay. Internal. Okay, this one looks bad. Okay. Internal.h. Internal.h. Profile. There we go. Huh, did they not remove that? Okay. Why not? Maybe they never use this profile thingy. Yeah. Yeah, maybe it's not a problem. Just okay. What about this one? Has profile. Blame. Use std int types. Oof. Yeah, I mean, this one is all compiled out right now, so probably don't care. Don't care right now, I guess. If diff ww debug. What about this one? Assert fail. ww debug dot cpp. Exit 3. Huh. Raise. Debug break. Does that make sense? Yeah. Debug break. Yeah. Debug break makes sense. Let's comment this out for now. Okay, it's so weird here. So even if the debug is turned off, there is still a debug break. What? What? What is this? Okay, well, let's roll with it for now. I think we need to put a semicolon there. What the hell is that? What? Oh, pure call. Oh, why is there so much assembler? My gosh. defined. That's also interesting definition. My gosh, why? This is quite mad here. This is mad. My gosh. I guess it's fine. Can probably leave it. Not sure. Did they touch it in any way? www.math.h. www.math. No, looks like they left that as... Huh? Vegas Math. Vegas Math. Man, www Math. There we go. Oops. Okay, looks like they also left it. Makes sense. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so can probably leave that. What about this one here? What is this ICL? What the hell? Did this really bring so much performance improvements? This one is commented out. Transpose. Oof. This is used. Yeah, once here. Broadcast. Okay. Yeah, okay. As long as it's commented out, I guess it's fine. Yeah. Nothing to worry about. What is this? Okay, this one is compiled out. Matrix commented out. What is this here? Also compiled out. Targa. Oof, what is this here? Targa CPP. What did they do here? Targa.cpp. No, that's not the right one. www.lib. Targa CPP. Yeah. swap bytes. Huh? Targa.cpp wwlib. Ah, here. Oh, they made it lowercase. They made all lowercase. Whoa. Okay. Interesting. Swap bytes. Okay, if defined, not that. Okay, does that make sense? Or should we maybe use the other condition, this one? I would say we take this condition here, which is consistent with the other. Yeah. Else. Take this guy here. Okay. But then we can't test it really. Is there a reason to keep this? Swap bytes. Swap bytes. Why don't we just use std swap? Count. Okay. Count. Define. Define MSC. Yeah, I would say we go with that for now. Okay, what else do we have here? Mutex. Okay, here we already did something. Mutex.h. Mutex.h. It is a bit upsetting here that the namings are absolutely wild. Did they make everything lowercase? No. Huh. No. What is the system here? Tage. Maybe they didn't touch. Maybe I just looked wrong. Okay, what do I have here? Mutex.h. Generals MD. Mutex.h. Yeah. Good. So what did they do here? Let's see. Right. Right. I think did similar here, right? Flag. Right. So they say if not define that. Where's this mutex class? It's also in wwlib. So they say if it's win32, not defined that. Win32. Yeah, I wonder, does this make more sense or this here? So this means it has to be Visual Studio and 32-bit. This means it has to be Win32 and not 64-bit. I'm not sure what is better here. Both kind of make sense. Yeah. But there's a EBX, so we can't have it. Yeah. No, let's do it this way. I think this is better because then we are able to use. Then we are able to use address sanitizer. Yeah, so we should keep it that way. Okay, and then we have the same here. Yeah. Okay. Okay, so then the mutex is served. Yeah. Okay, what else? MPU. What is this? MPU. Let's see. MPU.cpp. There we go. No. There we go. Okay. Okay, looks like they put this one here. Let's look at this one first. This one. Okay, they say Huh? So they just removed it entirely. Get CPU clock. No replacement. I'm not sure if that is good enough. It means we won't have any values here. Else H0 L0. Is this ever called? It's never called. Okay, well then we don't care. Let's put a comment unused. Yeah. Let's double check by searching for it. Yeah. When it's unused, then we don't care. Okay, that's fair. Good. Output ASM. Okay, let's look at the next one. Just below it. Oof. They removed this one here. I would say we do the same. We need an intrinsic thingy here. Else and if. Okay. Okay, RDTSC. Right. How do we get the intrin now in here? I don't think we can get hands on includes. Can we include lib? Lib. Intrin compat. Do we have access to that? No, we don't. Why not? Maybe it should have access. ww, where's this inside? wwlib. Okay, there's no cmake. www. There is a cmake list. So how about we put here zi libraries include. Is that okay? Let's see. Yeah, this assembler stuff is not my favorite, I have to say. Oh, it compiles. Nice. Nice. Looks like we're getting spam here. Let's see. Is this reported? What is the bug? What am I looking at here? What am I looking at? Check those minigunners. Some don't have the buff signaled. Huh. A hot bonus. Okay. Is this reproducible? Reproducible in the original? There's too much going on here. Too much going on. mpu.cpp. Okay. If no bug exists for this yet, please open one. So okay, the open sourcing piqued my interest. Game development, planning, getting Renegade building. Built-in pooling memory manager. Yes, I'm also sorting out the inline assembler right now based on the work from Fighter. Good. Okay, so good. What's the next piece? ASM, MPO. There's another one. ASM. I think we need to also, no? Let's get to this function. So we are looking at query performance counter. Okay, and I put this one here. Okay. Stamp 1. Aha, stamp 0. Stamp 0. Okay. Stamp 0. Okay, so I guess what we do is we take this condition, else, and if. Okay. And then do the same here. There we go. Else. Oh, this work is annoying here. Good. What else do we have in here? That's it. Okay, looks like this file is done for what it's worth. Yeah. Okay. LCW. LCW CPP. Oof. 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 LCB comp. If dev Windows. Okay. Oof. Aha, they just compiled out the whole thing. Okay. If defined M is the. Okay. Is this ever used? Seems to be not used. Yeah. I guess we can do the same thing, yeah. If not defined. Yeah. Or why don't we put this other condition, this one here? Yeah. Okay. Now then what? Keyboard. Is this line needed? Except. Oh, okay. Again. Stack walk. Except.cpp. Except.cpp. What is this here? What? I mean, this doesn't make sense to call on x64 at all, right? I would imagine. I would say this one will also be compiled out entirely, similar to what we had here with the stack dump. I don't know what this here is supposed to say. Let's reset that. I'm not sure if this one is correct because it means... What did they say? Win32. Define EBP, RBP. How would that work though on x64? I don't understand. That can't happen, no? Image file machine. Stack walk. Stack walk. Huh. Okay. So apparently you can stack walk on 64. Okay. Okay. Oh, that's wild. Well, maybe we should go back to this when we actually compile for 64-bit, which we are not doing right now, so I can't test it. Yeah. Yeah, maybe I shouldn't touch it for now. Yeah. I guess that would be reasonable. Okay, let's get back to code. If def win32. What about www.memlock? www.memlock. They didn't touch this. Okay. Fair enough. If it's compiled out, it's compiled out, right? What about this one? Profile. I think we already checked that, right? What about this one? Internal.h. I think we also checked that one. They didn't touch it. Profile. Profile internal h. Profile internal h. Yeah. Yo, that is wild. If def ms ver pragma once. Yeah. Okay, let's not touch it then either. Okay, let's review what we have here right now. Okay, so swap bytes. We use MSV ver and that. Okay. I wonder. I'm not so much a fan of having different conditions, you know, for these things. Different conditions. Yeah. Okay, so this makes sense to me. Maybe here this should have the same condition. Let's think about it. Does it make any sense to keep it for... Let's go there again one more time. Swap bytes. Does it make sense to keep this? No, because there's EBX in there. Yeah, okay. We take the same condition here. If that. Yeah. Let's put a comment here. VS6. I don't know what I will call the macro in the end, but I will change that. Yeah. I don't need the comment, I will find it. Okay, so this one is not defined, if defined win32. I think there actually this condition would make more sense now for this one. Huh? What happened? Did it? Huh? What? Okay, this makes sense to me. This makes sense. This makes sense. Does this make sense? Okay, what do we do? What do we do? I'm not sure about this one here. Let me... So to me, this one looks like Athenium x86, right? Let me see. Athenium, predefined macros. Defined as integer literal value 600. Isn't defined. This is Microsoft specific though. Let's see. Microsoft specific. Oh. I see. I would say in here we also Win32. Yeah, I would say we take also this condition in here. I'm really not sure, but let's go with this. Yeah. Okay, this except debug break. Yeah. If this compiles on VS6, then I think it's fine. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, this convert color thingy we need to look at one more time. Convert color. dx8 wrapper.h. dx8 wrapper.h. Yeah. Reinterpret cast. Oof. Okay, what did we do here? Oof. Ah, here. Okay, so we commented out this one here. Yeah. Yeah. Huh. And then we put this and we... Jesus Christ. Yeah, let's go to dx8 wrapper. dx8 wrapper. dx8 wrapper dot h. That one, yeah. There we go. Let's see. Aha. Okay. Let's see. Is that similar to what we have here? Let me see. Unsigned in color. Yeah, it's very similar. Scale. Yeah, times scale. Implementation is a little bit different. RGBA. ARGB 24. A is 24, yeah. Multiply RGB components. Float. Scale. Scale. Int RGB. I do like this implementation better than this one here. Although it's color. Well, which one is better? Here we have like multiple temporaries. I mean, the compiler probably figures it out. Maybe. Probably, maybe. What is more efficient here? Floor. This one is calling floor. This one is not. Oof. Oof. Well, and the question is, what is correct? Floor or not? I mean, I can't read this here, so I don't really know if it's floors anything. Truncate, did it change? Is it flooring? I can't tell if it's flooring. FPU rounding. Multiply and convert to integer or the integer values together. Boah. Clamp color has a non-ASM path if it detects a CPU lacking a certain instruction. If there was no STL port. What? For clamp color. I think it would be better if he would just share his code and not describe what he does, because it's not really clear. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, I'm not sure what the right course of action here is. Is there more ASM in here? ASM. Convert color, clamp color. Okay, so clamp color, we have this one here. Let me see if that is similar to this one. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, how about here we say this one here. If that, else, and if. Okay. Clamp color. Okay, this looks good down here, but up here we are not yet sure. Should it be flooring or not? Oof. For convert, I found 2 candidates. Not sure which to pick. So that's candidate 1, that's candidate 2. One is flooring, the other is not. Yeah, so which one do we pick? I don't know. I mean, they essentially both do the same except for the flooring, right? Yeah. Yeah, which one to pick? Flooring or not flooring? Flooring means it's down rounding. So a 1.6 becomes 1. Yeah. Yeah. But do we really need floor? I mean, if we cast to integer, I think the floor is useless because integer will floor anyway. Integer cast will floor anyway. Yeah. So it's just a costly operation that we don't need. Yeah. Okay, what do we like better? Do we like this RGBA thingy or just push it into the color? So here we have just this one scale and then we have the color, 1 4-byte here. So okay, but it creates integers here. Yeah. I think, if I'm not mistaken, so we can definitely remove the floor. Yeah. Good. And then I wonder, can we also remove that? Yeah, I think so. Yeah. Yeah. How about we write it like this? Like that. Then we move the scalar down here, and just like that, it's a very easy to see, yeah, ARGB. I think that's much better. Yeah, I like that. I just hope that the compiler doesn't complain about conversion here. If it does, then we would need to have a static cast here, yeah. But maybe it doesn't. Okay, and then here we would say also if that, then we do all that, else, and if, there we go. There we go. Yeah. I think that makes sense. This one should actually be a F. Yeah. I think that's good. Yeah. Let's see. Yeah, so we take this here, else, this is a new function, this, that, yeah. I like that. Now the question, what about this intrin com part? Do we really need all that? Must only keep exponent. Must only keep exponents. The stack dump thingy. I think this one we can revert for now, because this only becomes a concern when we upgrade to Win64. So I would say for now we don't care about this and we revert it again. Yeah. Yeah, let's revisit it later. Yeah. Okay. This one is okay. This one is something else. This one, I think here we can. This one is so small, we can remove this one here. Remove that. Okay. This is fine. Is there another where it's a C++ version? C++ version. Yeah, okay. CPP macros. Yeah, okay. Let's force inline. Oh, hold on. Why did we comment this one? Ah, there was some sort of crash, right? But that was probably unrelated. Let's put that back in. Yeah. Okay, so this one looks good to me. This one also looks fine. The perf timer looks fine. We need to add some comments though. Yeah. This one looks fine, yeah. This one is also fine. Debug break we need to test. This one is fine. What was this here? Already forgot. LCW. LCW. Ah. Huh? There we go. Okay, so we just compile the whole thing out. If this, if not that. It's a naked function, right? No. It contains EBX or EBP. I don't know. Was it EBX or EBP? I already forgot. I think it was EBX. Yeah. Yeah. Was this function actually used? Hold on. Ah, it was unused. Let's put a comment, unused. Yeah. I mean, if it's unused, why don't we just do a if 0? If it's unused. And 0. Right? If we don't need it, just remove it. I mean, the same as here. Not sure. Well, not sure. We should leave it. I think this looks fine here. Yeah. Let's take this one. This one looks also fine. Targa looks fine. SCW. So this one is unused. Yeah. Except, okay, yeah, we need to test this one. And we need to have a look at this one if we really need all this stuff here. Ah, it's one function here. Okay, now then I think it's fine. What about this one here? L-Rottel. Intrin compat. I suspect that this won't compile on VS6. Intrin compat. Intrin compat. Yeah, why is this so weirdly indented here? Let's fix that. There we go. Fixed. I'm also not sure if this here is legal. No, this thing here might not be legal. I think in older versions this here won't compile. It like the symbol has to be at the very beginning of the line in older compilers. Yeah. Well, we'll see. No implementation for debug break. Oof. Okay. Okay. Let's see if that compiles. Convert color. Convert to ARGB. Convert to ARGB. Convert color. Let me see. Which function is that? Ugh. No. There are just many. Here, this one. Convert to ARGB. Convert color. What? Oh, he added a new function in there. Okay. I see. Convert color. Yeah, I think it's not a bad idea this year. Yeah. Yeah. because then it can be reused. Yeah. Yeah. It's not a bad idea. I like that. So basically we create a copy of this one here. ARGB. It's a float. Float alpha. Add some nice spaces here. Yeah, alpha times 255. I think we can just have an integer here. Then we make it as tight as the original. Extra tight. Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Then we go to, yeah. Then we remove this one here. Then we remove this one here. And then we move this one here. There we go. And here, I say, I like this solution. Let's also fix this here. Okay, and then we have this guy here. Yeah, this one we took the same here. Okay, then we take this guy here. We delete this here. And this one we move down here. Yeah, I think that's good. I need more water. All right, good. Okay, so the intrin is probably fine. It did compile, yeah. So let's take it. This one is good. I like that approach. Thank you. Okay, this one we have changed once more. We made it a bit simpler, I think. Yeah. Okay, and then we just Yeah, we need to check if this still compiles on Visual Studio 6. Yeah. Okay, but this looks already really promising. Let's see. Let's see if it compiles here. Actually, let's see if it runs first. Yeah, I think that is more important. So we take this guy and this guy. Then we go to General's game code build VC, no, Win32, General's MD, release with deb info, pick link source, and we drop it in here. Drop symbolic link. Yeah, all right. Good, then we wait for the compilation. Good. That compiles. Let's run it. Properties. Debugging. Yeah. Okay, let's see if that runs. Yeah. 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 And it looks good. Skirmish. Let's load the big test map. Wait, All Factions Museum. Hold on. Here, this one. Medium USA. Let's go. That's my favorite test map because it just got all the units on here. And it's easy peasy. There's quite a bit of lag here. Oh. Yeah, big bada boom. Big bada boom. I still can't believe that we are now modifying the source code of this game. I can't believe it. I can't believe it. It has been almost a month now. 3 weeks. Yeah, 3 weeks since release, I think. And I still can't believe it. It's remarkable. Oh, what's up with this drone? It didn't look like a Hellfire drone, but it shot Hellfires. What? That was weird. Let's try the German. Yeah. German works. Yeah, looks good. Seems to run just all right. That's cool. Okay, let's see if it compiles with VC6. I would suspect that probably some error with the intrin compat. There's probably some error. Yeah. I wouldn't be surprised. Yeah. That's okay. In many matches, I've encountered cheaters using this bug. Yeah. What do we have here? Can confirm it's the same on the Steam version. Nice. To reproduce, you can just make a few crawlers and make the minigunner exit them. If you don't move the minigunners after they exit, the buff won't show. Also present. Always happens with the EVA true crawler. Chinese infantry not getting horde bonus when EVA from unit. Let me get here into this conversation. Copy link. Hold on, let's read this up. As internal, we change the reason to invalid one manually, like described on the game crashes. I think that supporting non-standard resolution should be done separately. One reason for that, non-standard resolution will work only in windowed mode. So there should be conditional logic to different work in full screen window mode. Should be here. Change the invalid one manually, like described on the game crashes. Changing increment resets. Yes, if that is a bug of the retail game, I prefer to keep changes small, and this change has perfect size and scope. If the uncommon resolution issue can be addressed separately, then that can be a separate change, separate pull request. If the uncommon resolution issue can be, if the custom resolution issue can be addressed separately from this change, then that can be, done in a separate pull request. I like so this change addresses one thing. And so if there's another issue with resolution, then it's good to create a new change that addresses the other aspect. It's not necessary to put it all into one big pull request. It's okay to split it apart and have like multiple steps, because then it's also easier to review and to just concentrate on this one problem. Whereas if you address two things, it's still manageable, but there's more to it, right? If you talk about two things in one change, right? So keep it separate, that's fine. Yeah. Good. What about the compilation? Aha. Cannot open include file, cstd int. Yeah. Okay. I mean, what we could do, I mean, we could include stdint.h, I guess. Let's see, stdint.h. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see, if we open intrin compat, if we change this to .h, what happens then? Would that work? I mean, we don't need this intrin compat, so we could remove it. Oh, it's still not finding it. Huh. All right. All right. Okay. All right. So it didn't have a cstd int back in the day. But it does include it here. So that should work, no? std int. Huh? Huh? Why is this not working? I don't get it. Okay. So if we say here if, let's say, if not that, and if let's see if that works. That would probably work. Yeah. Okay, it's still failing. Missing function header. Ooh. Okay. Looks like we screwed up here somewhere. Let's see. Yeah. Line 1077. 1077 here. What's the problem? Oh. Oh. Right. Right. So we need to delete this one here. And this one here. Why is this? Ah, okay. Looks like this one needs to be actually tabbed, so let's do that. There we go. Okay. Let's try that again. And we still got a compiler. 1144. 1144. Ah, same bullshit here. Right. Okay. Ah. Making good progress here. Yeah. Very good. Very good. Very good. Yes, this change is user facing and will need to be documented. But Mutex is still working on that part. Still working on the changelog pipeline. We are not submitting any these kind of changes yet. Not until the foundation is done. Good. Let's see if it compiles. Yeah, it's still compiling. Okay, when this is done, there's still no. So there's still some ASM in the tools of 0 hour, but I think we can tackle this another time. We don't have to do it now. We can do it after we have figured compiling. Yeah. Yeah. Good. Yeah, it's very promising. We're making progress. We are very slow, very careful. But it's good to be. It's okay to be careful. I rather make no mistakes and have everything in a good state and be confident about the changes we put. Yeah. 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 Because this game is already buggy enough. We don't want to add more bugs, right? Yeah. Yeah, very careful. Very careful. Yeah. I think it's a priority to stabilize the game. And when we add features, we should be very careful that we don't introduce new issues. Always test carefully. Yeah. I mean, it's always possible to make bugs. But the more you test, the more confidence you will have that things are good, right? Yeah. Yeah. Just need to test. Good. How about we... yeah, I don't feel like loading some maps. Yeah. Good. Okay, so game engine has compiled. That's good. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, and we will also note that this one here, this one we want to have some define like VS6 builds. Yeah. For this kind of thing. Put that somewhere. Yeah, because this one is really unreadable. Maybe we should also have a define for this one. So that would be that. Maybe we should have define for that one. Define Win32 builds. Yeah. And here we can say define. This one could be a MSC X MSC IX build. Oh, it's a bit hard to read. Like this MSC. Yeah, that's easier to read, right? We can say 1, 1, 1 like this. Yeah. I think it would be good to have these kinds of things. Yeah. Becomes easier to look at. Okay, the compilation is done. Succeeded. That's fantastic. Fantastic. Okay, so what do we need then? Yeah, we take this guy. So the debug break was fine. It did compile. Well, was it actually used, this debug break? Let's see. Is this guy placed anywhere? Oh, it's unused. Well, fantastic. What about the pure call? Pure call. That one is also not compiled in. What about this one? Assert fail. Just need one. Oof. Assert fail. That's also not compiled in. wdebug. Maybe for testing we put here define wdebug 1. Let's see if that compiles. Aha, debug break undeclared identifier. Okay, that doesn't work. In that case, let's search for all debug breaks. Debug break. Why don't we use ww break here? Okay, so we already got that sorted. What about this one? Same here. Does this include the header? Yes, it does. Okay, good. Then here we can also use that. Let me search for this thing real quick here. Yeah, I don't know why debug break is defined for both here. It doesn't make any sense because it's also just used inside www-debug. www-debug. Yeah, I would say we should remove this. Yeah. Then we say here, we take this guy, put that here, else, and if. Hold on, debug break could also be unknown because we are not including the intrin here, right? Let me remove this guy here. Let me remove that. Let's do include lib intrin compat. Let's see if that compiles. Oh, no such file. www-debug. Okay, let's go to www-debug. There we go. There we go. Aha. ZI libraries include. Let's try that. No. There we go. Did you test the surrender mismatch already? Okay, it's still unknown. Okay. Okay. Then I guess that's fine. Then let's say here we put this guy and this guy. Oops. Let's this. Right. Like this maybe. Let's do it like this. Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, then this should compile here. Let's see. Mm-hmm. Oh, cannot open include. Why not? Why not? We did the same here, no? Yeah. Mm-hmm. Libraries include. I don't understand. Cannot open source file. libintrin. But here it works. Why is it not working here? Cannot open source file. libintrin compat. Huh? Why? Oh. Huh? Okay, let's try it here then. Let's compile here. Why is not possible? Error. Why? Private. Private compat. I don't understand. I don't understand. Why does it not work in here? Why can it not find it? I don't know. It looks like it should, but it does not. What is the difference between this one and this one? There's no difference. But this one compiles, and this one does not. Why? Eh? www common zi libraries include. It would be nice if we can fix that. Man. Okay, so what happens if we don't include it? Maybe we check that first. Error. Oh. www debug fails to compile. Okay, looks like this was not tested in a while. Okay, well. Yeah. Debug break. Well. Okay, so it doesn't compile anyway. Okay, but it also fails to include, which is sad, right? Yeah. Yeah, it is sad. On many levels, it's sad. I really would like to know now why it doesn't compile, though. Do we maybe have a typing error in here? No. I don't know why this doesn't work. Maybe we type it fresh. Includes lib intrin compat. No, it's the same. No. I don't know. It looks like it should work. It doesn't. It doesn't work. Why? I don't know. I don't know. Okay, how about for now what we can say? I mean, it fails anyway, right? So what we can say, if def w debug, then we include this. Yeah. And if, yeah. And maybe here to do recover the debug. Recover www debug. The super hackers. Add to do recover question mark. Okay. Yeah. I mean, if it doesn't even compile, let's not worry too much about it then. Yeah. I don't understand why it doesn't work, but yeah, maybe someone else can figure this out. Okay, but this should compile then. Yeah. Yeah. Maybe we search for this real quick and also remove the other comments. This one here. Oh, that's not from us. No, we already did. Okay. Okay, so that succeeded. Let's do the same here. I expect that this compiles now as well. Yeah. At least on this one case. Maybe there's some other compile error afterwards. How hard is he make? Yes. Man. What is this? Okay. Let it cook. If we get this via 6 to compile, then I think this is good. And then we can open a pull request for this thing, but it will be a draft. Yeah, it will be a draft because we want to figure this out here, but we do this later. Sorry. Oops. Yeah. And we maybe want to get rid of some more inline assembly in the tools. Yeah. Yeah. Okay, but everything is lining up. That's good. We need to merge the C++20 change. Highest priority. But it's blocked by this one change here. That they so desperately try to figure out. Yeah. Let's see. OmniBlade is typing. Must be a big message. Yeah. Good. What's the time? 2 hours 30. Yeah, it's good time. Good time. Good time. Okay, did it pass? Hold on. Hold on, it did pass. Excelente. Yeah, but we know that the www-debug does not compile with our change and also without our change. But I think that's fine for now. Yeah. Yeah. That's fine. Good. 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 Let's take a look. So, www-debug break, yes. Recover. So here we say debug, okay. Yeah. And yep. Man, I can't click this one, yeah. And here we optimize this a little bit more. Okay, yeah, okay, good. All right, all right. Okay, let's run this here once more to double check that things are good. Yeah. Let me actually double check that. Let's go to win main. Let me actually double check that this is a thing that runs. Yeah. Let's kill it once more. Yeah, it's the one that runs. Okay. Otherwise, the breakpoint could not be set there. All right. Okay. Yep. Looks good. Okay, looks great. Yep, looks fantastico. Good. Then how about we submit this, what we have here so far. Swap bytes. Let me actually P1 end, P1 count. P1. This one could maybe be a STD swap here. No, I guess it's fine this way. No. Mutex. Yeah, I think that looks great. Looks great. Then let's submit this as, do we need this here? No. Let's submit this as ZH replace replace inline ASM in non-VS6 builds. non-VS6 builds. Yeah. Okay, so we have that. Let's go to main. No, let's stash our changes first. Yeah. Okay, we go to main. Create fix. Fix. Let's say. How do we call it? Fix inline ASM ZH. Okay. Okay. Okay, and then we cherry pick that one change here. This one. Cherry pick. Cherry pick. All right. Then we push that to the remote. There we go. Push. All right. All right. Then we go to pull requests. Oh, we have many pending pull requests here. Replace inline ASM in non-VS6 builds. Yeah. 0 hour. Major. Major 0 hour. I don't know if build is build. Okay, to do. Zero. Inline ASM in 0 hour tools. Replace. Let me also describe. Replace inline assembler in 0 hour tools. And add provide better macros. Provide better macros. *1. *1. So this one. Let's say define that. There we go. There we go. Okay, so this change places this change replaces critical inline assembler for 0 hour. This is required to run the VS 2022 C++20 build. Put together by changes, put together by reference changes from here, reference changes from this Mauler, what's his name? Mauler and freestyle. Put together by reference changes from this user Mauler and yeah, that's it. Put together by reference changes from that user, let's say, and user Mauler. Okay. Critical inline assembler for 0 hour. This change replaces inline assembler. Replaces inline assembler for 0. Oh. I say most inline assembler for 0 hour. VS6 builds will still use the legacy inline assembler everywhere. This change for 0 hour but VS6 builds will still use the legacy inline assembler everywhere. This change is required to run this build. Put together by reference changes. This change was put together by reference to do. Replace inline assembler and 0 hour tools, provide better macros. Yeah, let's open this as a draft. Where do we do that? Here. Yeah. This change compiles with VS6 and VS 2022. Well, I mean, it's kind of implied with this here. Yeah. To run them without crashes. Provide better macros. Okay. Yeah. We probably need to add some comments, yeah. to do add code comments where necessary. Okay, cool. Good. So we noted this here, but it's fine. And yeah, I think we made good progress. Good. Do we want to do anything else? I don't think so. I think we can call it a day here, yeah? We can call it a day. Good. Then, yeah, this needs to be continued. It needs to be merged sometime after the C++20 changes are merged. Maybe after the tools. Yeah, after the tools. Yeah. Good. Then how about next session? So either we start with generals or with the 0-hour tools compilation. Maybe I think previously I said that we do generals first. Yeah, we can do that. Oh, there's still so much to do. Yeah. Yeah. So much to do. Good. Yeah, I will take a break here. I hope you enjoyed. I wish you a great day or night. Until next time. Goodbye.